In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an extra Shopify store from your account. Maybe you've got an old store you no longer need, or perhaps you've streamlined your business and want to tidy things up. No matter the reason, today I'll walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. Let's dive in together, and I'll help ensure the process is smooth and straightforward. First, before we jump into making any changes, it's important to log into your Shopify admin panel. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with the store you wish to remove. This is crucial as it ensures you're making changes to the correct store. Once you're in, navigate to the specific store you intend to remove. You'll find it listed there if you manage multiple stores. Now, the next step is to access the settings. Over in the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll see an option called Settings. Click on that and this will bring you into a section with various options tailored to your store management. Once in the settings, you're looking for the Plan section. This is where you can make changes to your store's subscription details, including cancellations. It's conveniently located within the settings, making it easy to find. Click on Plan to proceed. Now you have a choice to make regarding what you want to do with your store. There are two options: deactivate or cancel. If you choose to deactivate, this will pause your store while keeping all your data safe for up to 2 years. It's perfect if you think you might want to return to using the store later. On the other hand, if you're certain you want to get rid of the store entirely, you'll choose the cancel option. This action removes the store and all its data permanently, so make sure this is what you want before proceeding, as it cannot be undone. Once you've made your decision, follow the prompts provided. They will guide you through some final confirmations, including possibly submitting a reason for your decision and entering your password to ensure it's really you making this change. Before you finish, there are a few important considerations. Ask yourself, have you backed up your data? Once a store is deleted, it's gone for good. Also, consider if transferring the ownership might be a better option if someone else can take over the store. And don't forget to check for any outstanding charges or bills that might interfere with the process. Lastly, if any issues arise, or if you find yourself in need of help, don't hesitate to contact Shopify support. They're available to help and can provide guidance specific to your situation. Take a moment now to follow these steps carefully, and you'll have that extra Shopify store removed in no time. Happy organizing, and thanks for watching.